Cleaning your engine bay is something that we recommend. When you show care for every inch of your vehicle, it really shows other people how much you care for it. I clean my engine every time I get an oil change, and every time I drop it off, the workers there go, wow, your engine looks amazing. And I know that they're gonna take care of it just like I take care of it. But when it comes to the C8 Corvette, cleaning this engine can be challenging. The mid-engine car, it's really hard to reach in certain areas. There's one thing you can do that can really make cleaning your engine that much easier, and that thing is ceramic coating it. Now at Adams Polishes, we have different forms of ceramic coating. One comes in a small glass bottle that's highly concentrated, but we also have one in a spray form like our Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. Now, if you're looking more to dress your engine, just to enhance the plastic, things like that, a product like all-purpose exterior dressing is a great product as well. It just doesn't provide the hydrophobic water beading protection like a ceramic coating. But if you're looking more to just enhance the look of your engine, ChevroletAccessories.com, or go to your local Chevrolet dealership and you can grab a bottle of all-purpose exterior dressing. What I like to do first before I jump into ceramic coating this is I like to grab a clean drying towel. And the drying towels we offer, as well as the drying towels that Chevrolet Accessories offers, are our big Ultra Plus drying towel. Now, the reason why I have this is because what I like to do is drape this over the side of the fenders, so when I'm leaning over, I don't scratch the car. Now, when we get into the ceramic coating piece, what you're gonna wanna have is obviously the ceramic spray coating, a couple gray microfiber applicators, and then a couple of borderless gray ultra premium plush towels. And again, everything that I have here you can get on ChevroletAccessories.com or at your local dealership. You're gonna take your graphene ceramic spray coating. I like to aim it away from the car and give it maybe 4 or 5 sprays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I think is good, okay? We can set this aside. And what I like to do with the spray coating is I'm going to ceramic coat the big broad surfaces. Now, on this ZR1, you have a lot of gloss surfaces like the carbon fiber and the glass on the back, even this composite here. So I'm gonna focus on the big broad surfaces first. And then what we'll do is, because you can actually spray this ceramic coating, is we can then get the spray into the accordion hoses and the nooks and crannies that otherwise you couldn't do with the applicator. So just to start off with, we'll take this, we're just gonna put a nice thin layer of graphene ceramic coating onto the surface. And when you feel like your applicator gets a little bit dry, just spray a couple sprays into your gray microfiber applicator and continue to apply. Now, the one thing about the ceramic coating is, you'll be able to see as I get closer here on this composite, is it actually enhances the look of everything that's under the engine. The rubber, the plastic, the gloss parts, the carbon fiber. The ceramic coating actually provides a really nice look to it. So if it feels a little bit faded, maybe your plastic's a little bit oxidized, the graphene ceramic spray coating will absolutely enhance the look of it, making it look great, but also it's gonna keep it looking great for a much longer time. And ceramic coatings are very much heat resistant. They're designed that way. That's why we like to put them on wheels. We like to put them on brake calipers, very resistant to heat. And so under the engine, it's the perfect thing to protect and create the hydrophobic surface to make water bead up and make cleaning this much easier. So I'm gonna continue doing this. I'm gonna reach in, and again, I have my drying towel, so I'm not gonna scratch the car. So I can lean over and reach. Now, when we get to the point where it's hard to put ceramic coating into this section here, the accordion hoses, even on top of the engine, what I can do is take spray coating and give it a nice mist onto these areas. And then where you see it kind of pooling or there's excess, you're just gonna even it out with the applicator that you've already been using. So spray it into here, onto the accordion hoses, on the engine surface on the top here. And all I'm doing, I'm not doing hard pulls to use a ton of product. I'm doing quick half pulls to minimize the amount of product that's gonna pull up onto the engine, but give a nice even layer to protect it. So set this aside. I have some excess kind of in here, so I just take my applicator, and all I'm doing is trying to even this out the best I can. And if there's any broad surfaces that maybe I missed, I can go over those sections as well. So go through here, cut all of this, go over this surface. Now with ceramic coating, similar to the paint, there's a curing aspect to it. So when you do it on paint, especially black paint, after you apply it, you can really see sort of this rainbow effect. It's the solvent flashing off of the surface, leaving the ceramic coating behind. Now in here, it's hard for me to see that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the applicator I was using. I'm just gonna put a little swipe on the paint right here. That's gonna be my reference point as to see the solvent flashing off the surface with the rainbow effect, or it kind of looks like an oil slick in water, a kind of rainbowy color. And the bands of the rainbow will start to grow, they'll start to widen, and then eventually the rainbow color fades, it desaturates. And at that point, that's the perfect time to wipe off your ceramic coating. So this is my reference point. And what I'm gonna do, I don't need to go to the other side. I don't really wanna get ahead of myself. So I'm gonna wait for this to cure. I'll go through, I'm gonna take my borderless gray plush towel. I will then wipe down all the surfaces that I coated the best as I can. Obviously there's certain areas that are hard to reach or get your hand into, but anywhere that you can really buff away the solvent that's coming out of the ceramic coating, we're gonna touch those areas. So I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes. And with ceramic coating cure times, you know, they vary dependent on the environment that you're in. So if you're in a high humidity, high temperature environment, the ceramic coating cures very fast. If you're in a low humidity or low temperature area, like right now, I'd probably give it, it's probably 50 degrees here. It's gonna take a little bit longer for the solvent to flash off. All right, so my indicator here, the rainbow effect has now faded. So I don't forget, I'm gonna wipe this off first. And now I'm gonna move into the engine bay. So I like to work middle and then back. I think it makes me focus more on the middle of the engine so I don't miss any spots. So I'm taking my gray, my borderless gray plush towel, and we're just gonna take this in long, fast swipes in pretty much any area that I can reach that I put the ceramic coating on. So it doesn't matter if it's plastic, rubber, the carbon fiber, the glass. You wanna try to make sure and even off every area. You don't want any excess sitting there for an extended period of time. We'll take this and continue to wipe this off. I'm gonna hit the engine bay, not the engine bay, but the top of the engine here. Wipe off any excess. I'll wipe off the ceramic coating on the rear glass here. The rest of the carbon fiber, this composite here. Some of the plastic and the accordion hose down here. The richness in color that the ceramic coating provided, both on the rubber accordion hoses, the top of the engine here, it just looks 100% better. Now, obviously that's a benefit, but what you're gonna see is when we come back to clean this, the water is gonna bead up like crazy, and the water is gonna pick up the dirt and grime that's on your engine, and it's gonna be washed away with the water. If you can't get, you know, certain nooks and crannies, it's totally okay. After you're done cleaning this, you can take a forced air unit, blow your engine out, the water will come flying off because of the hydrophobic surface, and your engine will look perfect again with very little effort. Now, before I move on to the other side, what I'm gonna do is grab my applicator and give it a few more sprays, 4 or 5 like we did before. And I wanna make sure to do the top engine bonnet as well, or the rear hatch. Because to be honest with you, a lot of the dirt and grime, or maybe splash from the ground from underneath, this part will get dirty as well. So when you come in to clean your engine, you kind of always start from the top and work your way down. Being able to have the dirt and grime fall off onto here and then blast this off makes it a lot easier. So I also like to ceramic coat this whole area as well. And because it's a nice big broad surface, just spray it into the applicator, wipe it on. And one thing you're gonna notice is that the ceramic coating, especially on this kind of composite, it goes on extremely, almost like glossy, like kind of wet. But when you wipe it away, it goes back to the factory finish. So we're not gonna change the appearance of this material. When you wipe it away, it's gonna look back to pretty much brand new. We have this coated. Give myself a quick little swipe on the paint over here, like that. That's my indicator. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait, check for the rainbow. When it fades away, I'm gonna wipe all of this off. All right, well, with one really easy product and a very simple process of protecting your engine with ceramic coating, you can make cleaning it 1000% better. Now, remember, if you want to go through this process, you want to make cleaning your C8 or any of your Chevrolet vehicles much easier to clean under the hood, ChevroletAccessories.com, or go to your local dealership. You can get the spray coating, you can get the towels, you can get the applicators, and you can get your engine and your whole car dialed very easily and very effectively.